If you think time moves in a straight line, this 5 picks will prove you wrong. Hi, this is Mowgli and you're watching World of Mowgli Reviews. They are not just sci-fi with cool gadgets. They are emotional puzzles of fate, grief, and the loops we can't escape. Here are 5 time travel and mind-bending shows movies that will break your brain. Watch them with a notebook. Number 4 is Cardo Lake, a 2024 film available on Geo Hotstar. Set on a misty cypress-covered Cardo Lake on Texas-Louisiana border, this A24 sci-fi movie is all about closed loops and paradoxes. The 8-year girl vanishes, her disappearance links 2 timelines decades apart. The twist is the lake's receding water level opens a natural time portal. It's jump scares and more dread. It's grief, loss, and time bleeding into each other. Beautifully shot and quietly devastating. Watch this on Geo Hotstar. Number 4 is The Last Night at Tremor Beach. Adapted from Michael Santiago's novel, this one is more psychological than sci-fi. But it messes with time and reality in its own way. Alex, a tormented pianist, retreats in a remote coastal village after he survives a lightning strike. He starts seeing hyper-realistic premonitions of his loved ones being murdered by the intruder. Is it his trauma, madness, or something bigger? Moody, slow burn, but perfect if you like tension over exposition. This one is available on Netflix and it's a mini-series. Number 3 is Devil's Hour. What if your nightmares came true exactly at 3:33 a.m. every night? Lucy Chambers wake up exactly at the same time, haunted by the vivid visions of murders which has not happened yet. Her life collides with Gideon Shifford, a cryptic criminal who might be traveling through time. It's a supernatural psychological thriller that blurs memory, premonition, and reality. Creepy, stylish, and impossible to pause mid-episode. You can watch this on Amazon Prime. Number 2 is Bodies. A dead body, 1 London alleyway, 4 detectives, and 4 timelines. 1819, 1941, 2023, and 2053. Bodies is a sci-fi crime thriller that connects them all. As each detective investigates the same body, they unravel a 150-year-old time travel conspiracy. Mastermind is a tragic orphan who's been looping time in order to force himself into existence. Fast-paced, gritty, and surprisingly emotional. It's available only on Netflix. And the number 1, we have my favorite series of all time, Dark. Start here if you want the ultimate brain teaser. When kids vanish in a German town of Winden, 4 families get pulled into a multi-generational spanning of 1953, 1986, and 2029. Dark has 3 seasons, and the core narrative spans several specific eras centered around 1921, 1953, 1954, 1988, 86, 87, 2019, 2020, 2053, and 54. Like, you need to sit with a notebook in order to understand this. Like, no flashy time machines, just caves, cycles, and a brutal truth. Past, present, and future are already fixed, and everything is connected. Every choice the characters makes to fix things only cements the tragedy. It's Inception meets King Lear, and it ends perfectly. If you ask me, I will suggest start with the Bodies for the quick binge, and Devil's Hour for chills, and Cardo Lake for atmosphere. Tremor Beach for slow burn, and save Dark for the last when you're ready to go all in. If you want me to make a separate video explaining all this series which I just suggested, then let me know in the comment section. And for more such videos, follow me. If you've already seen Dark, then you are legally required to tell.
You and I are perfect for each other. Never believe anything.